Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your current account. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three line or menu icons in the top right corner. From the menu, select the Account Center or Meta Account option. Then scroll down and tap on the Manage Account option. Here you'll see your account. Select the account that you want to deactivate. Now select the Deactivate or Deletion option. Make sure the Deactivate account option is selected. Then tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. After that, select a reason for deactivating your account. Then tap on Continue. Then scroll down and tap on Continue again. Now verify to enter your password to confirm. Scroll down and tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Deactivate account. That's it. Your Instagram account has now been temporarily deactivated. If you want to reactivate your Instagram account, simply go back to the login page and use your existing username and password to log in your older account. Once you are logging, your account will be automatically reactivated. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel.